let's try hear it. Hello guys, good morning. This is my bike after 2 years. So yeah, thumbs up, I like it. I think it is the best street bike for 150cc. I think so far it was the best decision for 150cc. But yeah, I will review my bike in English and as well as in Bahasa Malaysia, so I hope you guys don't mind. And then the first thing that I change is my winglet. This is my winglet. It costs around 200 ringgit. What else did I change? The winglet, extra winglet, and also the master pump. This master pump is Racing Boy. This one 19mm, and I also installed Domino fast throttle. And of course, this Domino throttle is not the original one, and this one is the copy version. What else? Yeah, I also changed the radiator hose, Samco, and also I changed the tail light as well. This is the tail light, and this is the exhaust I've been using for I think 2 years now. And I painted the caliper yellow with the marine and with the this clear tank brake. So rasanya cukup kacak lah untuk satu. Apa lagi yang perlu ditukar? So and then yes, Samco kuning, Racing Boy brake caliper, and then this windshield R. I think this one original Yamaha. So this is my bike untuk 2 tahun dah. So far is the best. Also aku tukar tayar depan, tayar Pirelli Diablo ROSSO Sport. It's original size. It is original size. Masih guna size yang sama sebab sebelum untuk guna Corsa, and then terlalu besar, and then sama juga belakang guna Pirelli Diablo ROSSO Sport original size I think. And then yeah, Racing Boy, Bael, and then that's it.